Hey everyone, welcome to Focus Educators. Let us check out some of the latest job openings. So the first one is from Genpact. They are hiring for the domain training. Again, location will be Gurugram. Experience level is freshers, so do consider checking it out. Education qualification you can check out. Also, you check out why you should join the Genpact company, like professional growth, dynamic work environment, global exposure. Also check out some of the key responsibilities, what you have to do, like reporting, financial statement preparation, regulatory compliance, journal review, tool proficiency, communication, SLA governance. Also check out what are the required skills and qualifications for this role. Check out why you should join the Genpact company, what are the key benefits you are going to get, like mentorship and guidance, work-life balance, inclusive culture. Also here is the apply now button so that you can directly apply for this role. Let us check out another opportunity. This one is from UI Ernst & Young. They are hiring for associate GDC, GCO enablement team. Again, location will be Gurugram. Experience level is 0 to 1. You can check out the key responsibilities and eligibility criteria over here, like review external publication, legal mitigation, assistance member firm, support internal client documentation and compliance. Also check out some of the required skills and qualification like LLB graduate, legal knowledge, quality and risk manager awareness, problem solving skills, attention detail. Also you can check out why you should join the EY company, career development. Here is the apply now button so that you can directly apply for this role. Let us check our another opportunity. This one is from S&P Global. They are hiring for the job title reporting and data analyst. Again, the location will be Gurugram, Bangalore. Experience level is fresher, and eligibility criteria is any graduate can apply for this role. So do check this out. Also check out what are the roles and responsibilities, like develop reporting and automation solutions, data governance, data analysis and interpretation, cross-functional collaboration, process documentation, process improvement. Also check out what are the skills required for them, like SQL, Power BI, Python and all, Excel. You can check out all this detail in detail. Also check out why you should join the S&P Global company, and apply now button will be over here so that you can directly apply for this role. Friends, always try to read all these details given in the post so that you can modify your resume accordingly and then apply. So your resume will stand out, and it improves your chances to get call from. Okay, let us check out another opportunity. This one is from Micron. They're hiring for associate software engineer. Eligibility criteria is graduate in a relevant field. Experience required is minimal 1 year of professional experience, and location will be Hyderabad. Check out about Micron company, Micron technology over here. Also check out what are the roles and responsibilities if you are joining Micron company. Check out your required skills and qualifications, like problem solving abilities, application development in C, using C Sharp, Python, CI/CD pipeline, Azure, AWS, SaaS platforms, source control management tools like Azure DevOps and Git. Also check out why you should join the Micron company, like innovative project, sustainability, global impact, career growth, collaborative culture, and here you will find apply now button so that you can directly apply for this role. Let us check out another opportunity, which is for the TCS IIM National Qualifier Test. So everyone must check this out in detail. Job title is software engineer across multiple locations. Experience level is freshers. Up to 2 years of experience can also apply. And qualification is any graduate or postgraduate can apply for this. Apply by 24th of October. So do consider this date and do apply before that. Also check out why you should join the TCS IIM NQT. Again, key benefits of the TCS IIM are comprehensive evaluation, multiple job opportunities, career flexibility, recognized nationwide, schedule testing. Okay, if you are passing this exam, then you will be apply for all the related companies to TCS, not only just TCS. Okay, so do consider taking this. The selection process will be online aptitude test will be conducted, then coding. Okay, so after that, how does TCS ION NQT help? You can check out, like step 1 is apply for the TCS ION NQT, then appear for the test, then get your NQT score, and you can apply for the jobs using that NQT score. Okay, and you can land your job. So here is the apply now button so that you can directly apply for this role. So do consider taking this exam, as it is very, very important. Also check out our other job opportunities in job opportunities playlist on this channel, if in case you have missed our other videos, so that you can apply for them. Also, if you want to get yourself trained for the interview preparation, Then check out our free interview preparation series on this channel. Also logical programming and pseudocode programming playlist also you can check out. So thanks for watching and happy coding.